Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So we are in the greenhouse today, guys, still planting, still getting everything ready for the season. But I thought I would just bring you on through here to show you the length and size of the next piece of asparagus that we are going to pick. Check it out. Look at the size of this asparagus. Isn't that crazy? So this is my heirloom purple asparagus. And we're going to cut it right above the soil. And it's still nice and there's no stringiness to this asparagus. So this is a legit piece of asparagus. It's one of the biggest pieces of asparagus I've ever grown in my life. Look at the size of that. So it's definitely over a foot long. Amazing. Last year, I was actually able to have the asparagus come out, this purple asparagus, and actually have it seed. And so that's sort of a rarity. Sometimes you don't get seed from asparagus at all, but with heirlooms, if you're lucky, they actually send you up some true seed. So we're going to be growing another set of purple asparagus right from seed. And it will take us a few years to get another crop of asparagus that way, but then it'll be our own, another patch of heirlooms growing outside for the asparagus patch. So just wanted to share that with you, that this is the most ridiculous piece of asparagus, this is so long, I've ever seen. See you soon.